Experiencing issues connecting your Oral-B toothbrush to the app? You're not alone. Bluetooth connectivity problems affect 15 to 20% of users. Oral-B smart toothbrushes use Bluetooth low-energy technology to sync with your smartphone. This enables real-time brushing feedback, pressure monitoring, time tracking, and personalized coaching. First, try the basic reset protocol. Force close the Oral-B app, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your smartphone, and reset the toothbrush by holding the power button for 10 or more seconds. Then reopen the app and attempt pairing again. If the basic reset doesn't work, try refreshing the app data. On Android, clear the Oral-B app's cache through Settings and Apps. On iOS, offload and reinstall the app. Also ensure the app has location permissions enabled, which is required for Bluetooth low-energy scanning. These troubleshooting steps resolve connectivity issues for most users. Check your device's Bluetooth settings if problems continue. When basic troubleshooting fails, Advanced Bluetooth Stack Reset can resolve deeper connectivity issues. This process clears corrupted Bluetooth data that may be preventing proper device recognition. On iOS devices, the process involves resetting network settings, which clears all Bluetooth pairings and Wi-Fi passwords, but often resolves stubborn connectivity issues. Creating optimal conditions for pairing significantly improves success rates. Your toothbrush should have at least 20% battery and be connected to its charging station during pairing attempts. Position yourself within 3 to 6 feet of the toothbrush during pairing. This optimal range ensures strong signal strength while avoiding interference from other devices. Environmental factors significantly impact Bluetooth connectivity. Temporarily disable other Bluetooth devices and move away from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other sources of 2.4 GHz interference. Prevention is key to maintaining stable connectivity. Keep your Oral-B app updated with automatic updates enabled. Perform monthly repairing to prevent cache buildup and maintain your toothbrush battery above 15%. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies will significantly improve your Oral-B app connectivity experience and reduce future connection issues.